welcome back to Crafting with Nana. I had a request for a quick tip video on crocheting in the round and keeping the correct number of stitches. So rather than just respond to the subscriber who asked, I decided to go ahead and post the video. It came out a little bit long to send it through Gmail and all of that. So Anne, this one's for you. I hope it helps. Let's get started. This is a quick video to show you how to crochet in the round without adding or subtracting stitches. In this video, I have 10 stitches in my round and I have marked the stitch that I ended with. So I have 10 right here and I've marked the stitch where my crochet hook made the last stitch. I'm going to insert into the stitch beyond where my marker is. And remember, I want to keep my round count at 10. So that's 1 stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So to keep my stitches at exactly 10, I insert my hook right above my marker. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes when you're crocheting in the round, it's difficult to see where your next stitch is. So you need to pull out and make sure that you go in the one right after the last stitch you made instead of in the same stitch. That's where a lot of mistakes are made. So there's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you can see that I'm right back to the same marker spot when I start my next round. Again, if I were to put my needle through this stitch, that would end up with 11 on my next round. So I need to be very careful in placing my hook into the stitch above my marker for the next round. So again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, it looks like I'm off by a stitch, but I'm not, because I'm coming straight up from that beginning thread and my next stitch starts my next round. So I'm going to do one more round for this demonstration. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you can see again, as I start the next round, I'm coming straight up to the stitch from that marker. Again, it's super easy to get off on your count when you're working in the round, but you want to always pull your work apart and make certain that you're stitching into the very next crochet stitch as you work your way around it. If you do get off by a stitch or two, you can always decrease or add on to even up your rounds, but again, the marker really helps, and if you need to change your marker every single time as you crochet up, don't hesitate to do that. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you next time on Crafting with Nana. Bye.